Well, this is my lawn, 365 Kentucky Bluegrass from Mountain View Seed. It isn't perfect, but it's what I wanted. We don't have a salad anymore. We have 99% Kentucky Bluegrass, 1% weeds that we're gonna have to treat with herbicides, probably in the spring, although I'm really tempted to go ahead and splash some herbicide down right now, but I'm not going to. What we are going to get into this video is real mowing. We are going to use the greens mower from Jacobson, and we're going to put some stripes on this for the first time, technically the second time, but we had some issues on the live stream, so let's go ahead and get into it. Over here on the main course, we have complete germination. It is starting to thicken up. We're putting down 2 applications of nitrogen. We put down 2 applications of nitrogen, 1 application of propiconazole, which is a fungicide, if you saw in the last video. And we are starting to see really good growth. Lots of top growth, lots of spreading. Everything's going to plan. It's going to start slowing down, and it already has a little bit, but this week has been amazing for my lawn, and I just freaking love it. Kentucky Bluegrass all the way. All right, so let's get into it. Let's real mow this bad boy, throw on some stripes, get it ready for Halloween. I'm gonna get in at least 1 pass. I might do a crosshatch, so we'll do this way and this way. So what is that? Checkerboard. We'll do a checkerboard. Not bad. Here's the problem, is I live on a slight curve, but my property sort of curves as I'm doing my lines, so I have to really practice and focus on making sure those lines stay straight, or I sort of ended up with a tilted line. But that's okay, we got all of next year. Let's go ahead and go in this direction.
I hold my breath till I turn blue.
True green guy. Slow roll on me. That is Kentucky bluegrass. Look at that. This is going to be a beautiful lawn this spring. We're going to need to do some herbicide treatments. We may do a pre-emergent, but I don't usually do that, so we're not going to mess around with that. But I do know one thing. We're going to be adding 9 tons of sand. Enjoyed following along with this Kentucky bluegrass renovation. It's been a lot of fun, a lot of ups and downs emotionally for me, but I think overall I'm just pumped. I got a lot to look forward to next year. If you liked this video, smash the like. If you want to stick around, we'll be making some videos here. Smash that subscribe. We'll see you next time.